Welcome. In this video, I'll tell you how to fix Fortnite network connection lost on PC. Let's begin. First, go to the search bar on your PC and type command prompt. Once it appears, open it. Now, type the following command, ipconfig/flush DNS and press enter. This will clear the DNS cache. You should see a message confirming it was successfully flushed. Next, type nhwins reset and press enter again. After that, close the command prompt and restart your PC. The second method is to go back to the search bar and type view network connections. Select the internet connection you are currently using, right-click on it and choose properties. Scroll down and select Internet Protocol version 4, then click on properties. In the new window, choose the option to manually input the DNS server. Enter 1111 and 1001, then click OK to save the settings. Another step you can try is opening the Settings app from the search. Go to Network and Internet, then scroll to find Advanced Network Settings. From there, click on Network Reset, then choose Reset Now. Once done, restart your PC again. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.